low investment, fast returns, or stable monthly income. One wrong decision can change your entire farming journey. If you're confused between goat farming and cow farming, don't worry. Today, we'll help you choose the right and profitable option. Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Watch till the end because the final verdict might surprise you. First, investment cost. Goat farming needs low capital. A goat costs around 5 to 15,000 rupees, but a cow can cost 30 to 80,000 rupees depending on the breed. Plus, goat sheds are simpler, cheaper, and beginner-friendly. Next, space requirement. Goats need very little space. In the area where you keep 2 to 3 cows, you can easily raise 10 to 15 goats. That's why goat farming is perfect for small landholders. Now let's talk about feeding cost. Goats eat less and survive well on grazing with minimal supplements. Cows need more green fodder, dry fodder, and concentrates, which increases daily expenses. When it comes to maintenance, goats are low-maintenance animals. They are more disease-resistant and need less veterinary care. Cows require regular health checkups and can face issues like mastitis. Here's where goats really shine. Reproduction. A female goat can give 2 to 3 kids twice a year, but a cow gives only 1 calf per year. Faster multiplication means faster profit. Talking about market demand, both goat meat and cow milk sell very well. But goat meat often fetches higher prices, especially in non-vegetarian markets. Cow milk, on the other hand, gives daily and stable income. So, which is more profitable? If you want quick returns, low investment, and less maintenance, goat farming is the best choice. If you want long-term planning and consistent income, cow farming is more suitable. Both goat farming and cow farming are profitable. The right choice depends on your budget, land, and long-term goals. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. And tell us in the comments, which farming are you planning to start?